Hey, Shelly here. I'm at Muskegon State Park, the South Campground Loop, Site 94. And this the South Loop is kind of nice in that it's very, very well wooded. You do have a lot of uneven ground though, so it's can be a little trickier to find a nice spot for a tent. A lot of the tents, unfortunately, looks like they're on some uneven ground. Getting excited, making dinner here, and we've got some jambalaya there on a setup. Actually, the Lodge Dutch oven and the tripod are ours. We brought them here, but you can see their fire ring in that. That's gonna be good. Jambalaya, oof, the Dutch oven. I found that recipe online. Anyway, also, we did manage to find a nice flat site for our tent here, which is kind of cool. Last night we had some torrential rain. The site that's right next to us, site, you can kind of see it over there under our canopy, 95 is one site I definitely would not recommend because they were flooded out. Their site is kind of low and all the other areas kind of feed into where they had their tent. This campground is a little more packed than I would like, which led to last night with the rain, it calmed down right away, but when it's not raining, people are up a little later. There's Buddy, he's enjoying it. Buddy, can you say hi? Yeah, so he's enjoying a lot of hiking trails around here. We really like that. Places to go nearby. So anyway, I'll put more in my review. Take care. Hike on. Camp on.